Welcome to our Business Entrepreneurship crash course for MBA. Today, we're exploring the Lean Startup methodology. Let's get started. In this chapter on Lean Startup methodology, we will cover the introduction to Lean Startup, key principles, the Lean Startup process, successful case studies, implementing Lean Startup in your business, and a Q&A session. Let's dive into how this methodology can revolutionize your approach to entrepreneurship. Today, we're diving into the world of Lean Startup methodology. This approach emphasizes quick testing, learning from real data, and continuously improving your product. Get ready to revolutionize your understanding of entrepreneurship. The Lean Startup methodology emphasizes rapid experimentation, validated learning, and iterative product releases. This means that instead of spending a long time developing a product, entrepreneurs quickly build a minimum viable product, MVP, and release it to the market. They gather feedback from customers, measure product usage, and use this data to make informed decisions. For instance, a startup may release a basic version of a mobile app to a small group of users, analyze their interactions and feedback, and adjust features accordingly. By following this iterative process, startups can reduce the risk of failure and increase their chances of success in the competitive business landscape. Today, we're diving into the concept of validated learning in the Lean Startup methodology. This crucial process involves testing assumptions through real-world experiments, enabling entrepreneurs to make informed decisions and iterate their business model efficiently based on data analysis. In this slide, we delve into examples of customer retention strategies that various businesses employ to keep their customers engaged and loyal. Take, for instance, Netflix, a subscription-based service that focuses on personalized recommendations, exclusive content, and a user-friendly interface to retain its subscribers. By continuously providing value, Netflix reduces churn rates and maintains a loyal customer base. Similarly, a local coffee shop utilizes a loyalty program to incentivize repeat visits by offering discounts and perks to loyal customers, fostering brand loyalty and a sense of community. Additionally, an e-commerce platform enhances customer retention by providing excellent customer service and personalized recommendations, thereby boosting customer satisfaction and lifetime value. These examples highlight the importance of implementing effective customer retention strategies to ensure long-term success in business ventures. Creating a prototype and testing it with potential customers is essential in the Lean Startup methodology. This process allows entrepreneurs to gather feedback and validate if there is a market need for their product or service. By receiving input from customers, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions and adjust their business direction accordingly. Another example of validated learning is conducting A/B testing on different marketing strategies. This involves creating two versions of a marketing campaign and comparing their performance to determine which one generates the most conversions. This data-driven approach helps entrepreneurs understand their target audience better and optimize their marketing efforts for improved results. These examples emphasize the significance of gathering data and feedback to make informed decisions in the entrepreneurial journey. By testing ideas and strategies with real customers, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success and develop a sustainable business model. Today, we're diving into the core concept of the Lean Startup methodology: build, measure, learn. This iterative process of creating, testing, and analyzing data is crucial for entrepreneurs to validate their ideas and make informed decisions for their business model. In the Lean Startup methodology, the build, measure, learn concept is all about quickly creating a prototype, evaluating its performance, and drawing insights from the data collected. This approach enables entrepreneurs to test their ideas in the market, gather feedback from potential customers, and make necessary adjustments based on real-world data. By launching a minimum viable product, MVP, rapidly instead of spending extensive time on product development, entrepreneurs can gain valuable insights into customer preferences and behaviors. Tracking key metrics like user engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback allows entrepreneurs to make informed decisions and prioritize features that resonate with their target market. Learning from the data collected during the measurement phase is essential for continuous improvement and innovation. By identifying patterns, trends, and areas for optimization, entrepreneurs can enhance their product development process effectively. Ultimately, the build, measure, learn approach empowers entrepreneurs to iterate quickly, validate assumptions, and pivot when needed based on real-world feedback, which is crucial for building a successful and sustainable startup in today's fast-paced business environment. Dropbox exemplifies the build, measure, learn approach by starting with a simple MVP, gathering user feedback, and iterating on features. This process mirrors the agile development methodology in software development, where products are continuously tested and improved based on user input. By following this iterative approach, Dropbox was able to respond quickly to user needs, enhance their product, and attract more users. This strategy allowed them to stay flexible and ultimately create a successful product that resonated with their target audience. Innovation accounting is a fundamental concept in the lean startup methodology that helps entrepreneurs track key metrics to measure the progress of their innovation projects. It allows companies to evaluate the success of their efforts and make necessary adjustments for better outcomes, such as analyzing user engagement and retention rates to see if new product features are resonating with customers. Innovation accounting is all about tracking key metrics to measure the progress of innovation projects. It helps companies understand how successful their innovation efforts are and allows them to make necessary adjustments along the way. For instance, companies can use metrics like customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and conversion rates to evaluate the effectiveness of their innovation strategies. By analyzing these metrics, companies can make data-driven decisions to improve their processes and achieve better outcomes. This approach also helps companies avoid wasting time and resources on projects that aren't delivering the desired results. By keeping a close eye on key metrics, companies can quickly identify any issues or inefficiencies in their innovation projects and take corrective actions to stay on track towards their goals. Ultimately, innovation accounting is a valuable tool for companies to assess the impact of their innovation efforts, make informed decisions, and drive success in their entrepreneurial endeavors. Tracking metrics such as customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and conversion rates are crucial in innovation accounting. By monitoring customer acquisition cost, startups can determine customers a reason to choose your product or service. For example, Apple's innovative technology and sleek design are part of their value proposition. Identifying the target market is crucial, as it helps define the specific group of customers your company aims to serve. Revenue sources outline how your company will make money, whether through product sales, subscriptions, advertising, or other means. Understanding the cost structure is essential for profitability, as it includes all expenses incurred in running the business. For instance, McDonald's cost structure includes food ingredients, labor costs, rent, and marketing expenses. By carefully considering these components, entrepreneurs can create a sustainable and profitable business model that guides their company towards long-term success. Customer development is all about getting out of the building and talking to your potential customers. It's about listening to their feedback, understanding their pain points, and using that information to shape your business idea. It's a critical step in the lean startup methodology that can make or break the success of your venture. Customer development is a key component of the lean startup methodology, allowing entrepreneurs to gain valuable insights into the needs and preferences of potential customers. This process helps in validating business ideas and uncovering market opportunities that may have been overlooked. By actively seeking feedback and observing customer behavior, entrepreneurs can innovate and differentiate their offerings to better meet customer demands. For instance, a tech startup developing a new mobile app can use customer development to understand user pain points and preferences, resulting in a more user-friendly and valuable app that resonates with customers, ultimately increasing the chances of success in the market. Conducting surveys, interviews, or focus groups is a key method in customer development to gather valuable feedback from target customers. This feedback helps startups understand customer needs, preferences, and pain points. For example, a startup creating a new mobile app may use surveys to gather insights on user preferences for features and design. Additionally, using prototypes or beta testing is another effective way to collect real-world feedback on product features and usability. By releasing a prototype or beta version of the product to a select group of customers, startups can observe how users interact with the product and identify areas for improvement. For instance, a hardware startup may release a beta version of their smart device to early adopters to gather feedback on functionality and user experience. These methods of customer development are essential for startups to iterate on their products based on real customer feedback and improve their chances of success in the market. Leadership transition is essential for the continuity and success of a business. It involves passing on leadership roles and responsibilities from one individual to another in a smooth and effective manner. This process is crucial for ensuring that there is a clear path for the organization to follow, even when key leaders change. One example of successful leadership transition is when a founder of a company decides to step down and hand over the reins to a new CEO. This requires careful planning, communication, and alignment of goals to ensure that the transition is seamless and does not disrupt the operations of the business. By effectively transferring power to the new leader, the business can continue to grow and thrive under new leadership. Additionally, leadership transition involves developing a strong leadership pipeline within the organization. By identifying and grooming potential leaders from within, businesses can ensure a smooth transition when key leaders retire or move on to other opportunities. This succession planning is crucial for the long-term sustainability of the business and helps to maintain a strong leadership team at all times. In conclusion, leadership transition plays a vital role in managing growth and exit strategies in business entrepreneurship, ensuring continuity, success, and long-term sustainability. Continuous improvement in the lean startup methodology is all about making small, incremental changes to enhance efficiency, quality, and overall performance. This means constantly seeking ways to improve by gathering feedback from customers and using that feedback to make adjustments to products or services. By making these small changes based on real-time feedback, startups can ensure they are always evolving to meet customer needs. This concept can also be applied to processes within a business, where regular reviews and refinements can help identify inefficiencies and streamline operations. Ultimately, continuous improvement fosters a culture of ongoing learning and adaptation, driving growth and success through regular small changes. In the context of the lean startup methodology, continuous improvement plays a crucial role in driving innovation and sustainable growth for businesses. Software development teams, for instance, constantly review and refine their coding practices to minimize bugs and enhance the overall user experience. This includes conducting code reviews, implementing automated testing processes, and gathering feedback from users to identify areas for enhancement. Similarly, manufacturing companies focus on streamlining their production processes to eliminate waste and improve efficiency. By embracing lean manufacturing principles like just-in-time inventory management, Kaizen events, and value stream mapping, companies can optimize their operations, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. Continuous improvement is essential for businesses to stay competitive in today's dynamic business environment, as it encourages. In this summary, we will delve into the core principles of the lean startup methodology, a strategic approach that emphasizes validated learning, continuous improvement, and customer development. Understanding these key concepts is crucial for entrepreneurs looking to build successful and sustainable startups. In wrapping up, just keep in mind that the lean startup methodology is all about testing, learning from mistakes, and constantly evolving to build a thriving business. Embrace the unknown and stay open to change. Thanks for listening. Any questions?